It is raining today. See my small forest. Most of the time, this forest is very green. Yes, sometimes when the winter comes, the leaves of the trees are over here become dry. But though it is the month of October, still it is raining. Though it is not the rainy season. This is the actual balcony of the room attached to, and attached to this balcony, this is the extension. You can call this extension as the terrarium. Yeah. Now, this bougainvillea, earlier time I showed you in some videos, it is in bloom, and also the birds of paradise. Yeah, it's a small grape tree over here. See, also there is aromatic jewel. Now though those are not in bloom, but now in the place of attraction there remains this white bougainvillea. It is really are in its best bloom condition because in each branch, most of the branch, there are flowers. So I can show you the terrarium. It's raining outside, and today is holiday here, Friday. So I'm staying at home. So children are around me. Let's see my terrarium. I collected some other species of flowers, but this place was not that much supportive for all the trees, all the plants. It gave support to some trees, or some trees got an accommodation over here. They are versatile now. See? Purple heart and some other trees. So I can show you the birds of paradise. See? They are in bloom. So I can say for today, I'll just pass some more time over here. Bye bye to you all.